Hello friends, welcome back to Science with Azula. In this video, we are going to learn why does water stay in the bucket when we swing it. So let's move on to the demonstration. A bucket of water is spun in a vertical circle and water stays in a bucket. Why? Let's see the explanation. This is an example of centripetal circular motion. The water stays in the bucket because of inertia. The water wants to fly off from the circle, but the bucket gets in the way and keeps it in place. This demonstration illustrates Newton's first law of motion. Objects either remain still or move in straight lines. This property is called inertia. For example, take a yo-yo or tie a ball on the end of a string. Now spin it around in a circle, holding one end of the string in front of you. You will notice that the yo-yo wants to move in a straight line, and you have to supply a pulling force to make it move in a circle. If you let go, the yo-yo flies off tangent to the circle in a straight line. The same is true for the pail of water. When you swing the pail back and forth, you can feel the pail and the water inside pulling on your arm, because it wants to continue to move in a straight line and you want to make it go in a circle. You hold on to the bucket so it doesn't fly away, and the water pushes on the bottom of the bucket. As you swing higher and higher, the water pushes harder on the bottom of the pail. So friends, if you liked this video, like, share and subscribe to Science with Azula. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.